Hello guys, my name is Khush Patel. Welcome to my channel Bean Khush. Today I will show you my car's key. Let's get started. And here it is key. You will press this button and here it will on a red button. And you will on this one more time it will on this the red button. And let's see back one. Then look at this. It will open like this. When it will car broken, you will use like this and you will start. Okay. Now and let's keep it like that. Let's keep it his place. Let's keep it his place. It is done. And this, you know what is this sign? This is a Maruti Suzuki sign. And one more thing. You know what is this button too? Now I will show you a second key. Here it is the second key. And this is a broken. This key is broken. And this is a new and this is a old. Hey, look this. And this one is looks like this one is broken. Yes, is it broken? And now I will tell you know what is this buttons do. And now let's see like this. I will talk this one. This is our key. It will fixed right here, and you can see here one key, one hole. It will go like that. Look it. It will go like this. When it is broken, take it out. And look how it is strong it is. And do one more thing. It is like this. This is also like that, and this is also like that. And let's keep it back. Done, huh? And bye bye. This one, this also did it.